Here at Lori Beds, our goal is to make getting a Murphy bed as easy as possible. One of the ways we do that is in how we ship the boxes straight to your door. My name is Brendan. I'm one of the founders of Lori Beds, and I'm going to show you what to expect when the boxes arrive, the easiest way to handle them and get them open, and then we'll do an unboxing together to take a look at what's inside. So everything we ship from Lori Beds arrives like this, flat packed in a cardboard box straight to your doorstep. We've used as much recyclable material as we possibly can. You do want to keep this packaging just in case you need to make a return in the future. So now let me show you the best way to get the boxes open. Start by having a partner come help you move it into the right spot. And now the easiest way to open the box is actually to flip it over completely onto its top and cut the tape from underneath. Then have your partner help you again turn the box back over. Now you can lift off the lid of the box. I like to turn it over upside down so you can put all the packing material inside as you unpack the box. Now the first thing you'll see when you open the box is a little reminder to save all this packaging material on the off chance that you need to return your bed. You also got our email address here in case you have any questions along the way. Got a little more tape to cut open, and then we'll take a look at what's inside the box. Next thing you see are the printed instructions for your bed. Full-size booklet here with all the instructions that you need. And combine this with our assembly video for the bed, and you'll have a really easy time putting everything together. You'll find all the hardware packaged in one box here. Let me cut that open and show you what it looks like. Again, flip it upside down, cut the tape from underneath. Inside, all the hardware is packaged in individually marked bags, step by step, so you know exactly which bag to grab depending on what step you're doing. And then we'll just keep unpacking the box, just like we have been, to find that each of the components for your box is very well packaged. Again, in as much recyclable material as we could. If somehow any piece of this has come to you with damage on it, reach out to us and we'll find a solution for you as fast as we can. So that gives you a pretty good idea of what's inside a box of metal parts. Let me switch this box out and we'll show you what a box of wood panel pieces looks like and how to get one of those open in the best way. With a partner, flip the box of wood panels over. Cut the tape on the underside, then carefully flip the box back upright. Now inside any boxes with wood panels, we have this water-resistant protective board so that if your boxes see a little bit of rain during the delivery process, it's no problem. The easiest way to get this box open further is to cut the tape as close to the box as you can. And then here's what the wood panels look like in the box. Each panel is separated from the others by a sheet of protective paper so that everything arrives in excellent condition. So that should give you a pretty good idea of what to expect when your furniture arrives and how to get it open. As always, if you have any questions or if we can help you place your order, just reach out to our customer service team.